You take a bullet for your kids, but would you ever question yourself for them? One saves their life, the other might save who they become. I thought I broke the cycle. Truth is, I woke up inside it after you'd already learned this language. I never taught you what fear felt like, so fear got to introduce itself as you. I never taught you how to carry your emotions, so you carried them like evidence something was wrong with you. I never taught you your value, so the world put a price tag on it and let attention do the bidding. I never showed you how to feel safe in your own skin, so you learned every face in the room before you learned your own. Called it overthinking. I know now you were trying to survive people. I should have taught you how to meet. You saw me, but seeing me didn't always mean you could reach me. And I won't hide behind, I did my best. Maybe I did, but my best was built from what I knew, and what I didn't know still landed on you. That doesn't make me a failure. It makes me late to the truth, late to myself, late to the damage, but not too late to point at the pattern before you mistake it for your personality. I didn't break the cycle, I cracked it, and by the time I finally read the recipe, you already knew the taste. My mom gave me what she knew, I gave my kids what I never questioned. That's how conditioning survives, not always through cruelty. Sometimes it travels through love. On autopilot, we tell our kids, be yourself, then change the temperature of the whole damn room when their self makes us uncomfortable. Tell them, use your voice, then call it disrespect. When their voice doesn't agree with ours, they don't learn from the speech, they learn from what the room becomes. They inherit more than our eyes, more than our smile, more than the shape of our face. They inherit how we react to shame, how we beg for approval, how we disappear to keep somebody else comfortable, how we turn fear into anger and anger into authority. They watch us scan every room for social danger. Then years later, call it overthinking because nobody told them their mind wasn't trying to meet people, it was trying to survive them. We call it personality when protection stays long enough. Call it low confidence when confidence was never missed and it was covered under comparison, correction, rejection, and years of asking strangers who we were allowed to be. We call it people pleasing because it sounds kind, but sometimes it's self-abandonment with good manners. We call it a comfort zone, like comfort built the place. Meanwhile, people manage to put discomfort inside their comfort zone. Then when you ask them to step outside it, they think you're disturbing their peace. I see it now, every ingredient, every reaction I once called just me. Every fear I wore like a personality, every argument I thought I had to win because being wrong felt too much like being less. And that's when I realized I didn't end anything. I just became the first person in the family to read the label, the first to taste the pain and ask, who keeps making this? I can't go back and remove every meal my children already ate. Can't unteach every fear I modeled. Can't pretend awareness arrived before the damage, but I can stop lying and saying the cycle ended with me. It didn't, it cracked just enough for some light to get through. And now my job isn't to stand in that light and call myself healed. My job is to point to the opening, show my kids where it came from, and tell them this pain has a history, but it does not have to have your future. Maybe breaking the cycle was never supposed to belong to one person. Maybe one generation notices the recipe, the next removes an ingredient, the next finally learns what love tastes like without fear mixed into it. Maybe healing isn't one hero saving the bloodline. Maybe it's a family finally becoming honest enough to stop calling inherited suffering tradition. So yes, I take a bullet for my kids without thinking, but bullets are quick. Questioning yourself, that takes years. It means admitting your love didn't prevent your damage. It means looking at the pain you passed down without turning your shame into one more burden your children have to carry. It means saying, I'm sorry you had to carry what I was too unaware to name. I can't rewrite your childhood, and understanding me doesn't erase where I landed on you, but I can finally show you which parts were never yours. The fear, the shame, the need to earn what should have been given. I didn't break the cycle, I broke its cover. And once you can see what was hiding inside normal, it can't keep calling itself you.